Cryptocurrency trading feels like riding a roller coaster, right? One moment you're soaring high, the next you're plummeting down. It's thrilling but risky. Understanding the market is crucial. Research, strategies, and patience are key. Don't just follow trends, learn why they happen. Stay informed, and you could turn volatility into opportunity. This video from tactic.io offers a detailed guide on making $100 a day trading cryptocurrency, particularly focusing on platforms like Binance. The video starts by explaining how to select altcoins for trading using tools like CoinMarketCap and cryptobubbles.net. Here's a breakdown of the key points discussed. 1. Introduction and objectives. The video aims to update viewers on new practices and techniques for trading altcoins profitably. It provides a step-by-step tutorial on finding and trading coins using various platforms and tools. 2. Using CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is recommended for tracking cryptocurrency prices and market movements. The video explains how to filter coins based on their performance over 24 hours and 7 days. Identifying coins with significant losses over 7 days can highlight potential buying opportunities. 3. Volume considerations. The importance of trading coins with sufficient volume, at least $30 to $50 million, indeed, is emphasized to ensure liquidity and ease of exiting trades. 4. Exploring cryptobubbles.net. Cryptobubbles.net offers a visual and interactive way to see market performance, aiding in identifying potential trades based on different timeframes: hour, day, week, month, year. Trading platforms. The video covers creating accounts and navigating trading platforms like Binance, Femex, and Bybit. It mentions various bonuses available when signing up through provided links. 6. Using TradingView for chart analysis. TradingView is suggested for detailed chart analysis. The tutorial includes setting up indicators like Bollinger Bands and Relative Strength Index, RSI, to identify trade opportunities. 7. Indicators for trading. Bollinger Bands. Used to determine the trading range, with trades typically executed when the price hits the lower band. RSI. Helps identify oversold, below 30, and overbought, above 70. Conditions to time entries and exits. 8. Combining indicators. The strategy involves looking for points where the price touches the lower Bollinger Band, and the RSI indicates an oversold condition as potential buy signals. 9. Additional resources. The video mentions a Bitcoin blueprint guide for more in-depth trading strategies and offers free strategy calls with student success managers. Links to the guide and trading platforms are provided for further learning and bonuses. Overall, the video provides a comprehensive guide for beginners on how to start trading cryptocurrency and make daily profits using established tools and strategies. Remember, patience is the key in trading. Also remember, don't chase until the next video on crypto trading. God's blessings on your trading journey.